Ever wondered how VR is transforming industries and creating new opportunities? Well, you're in the right place. Join me as I unveil the must-have VR development certifications for 2024. You won't want to miss out on these game changers. In the USA, there are 4,000 to 5,000 VR jobs as of January 2024, covering roles like VR, AR, and MR developers, Unity Unreal experts, 3D artists, hardware engineers, interaction designers, and more. Salaries vary by location, experience, and skills, with an average of $90,000 per year, and senior positions reaching up to $275,000 per year. A structural engineer in training with VR skills can earn between $93,000 and $95,000 per year, while a psychiatrist using VR therapy can make between $350,000 and $425,000 per year. VR offers diverse opportunities in a rapidly growing field. Now let's explore these certifications individually. Google VR's Introduction to Virtual Reality via Udacity. Are you ready to dive into the world of VR? Our first certification takes you on a journey to understand the basics of VR, how it works, and what makes a good VR experience. Launched in 2017, this certification allows you to use the Google VR SDK to build VR apps for Android and iOS. You'll also learn to design and test VR environments while optimizing VR performance and quality. This certification is the ideal starting point for beginners, and it takes an average of 15 hours to complete. The platform for this certification is Udacity, and the best part? It's absolutely free. Unreal Engine C++ developer course by Ben Tristram, GameDev.tv team, and Epic Games via Udemy. Are you passionate about game development and VR applications? Our second certification, launched in 2016, equips you with the skills to use C++ and Unreal Engine 4 to create immersive games and VR experiences. In this course, you'll delve into C++, object-oriented programming, and game development fundamentals. You'll also harness the power of Unreal Engine's features, including blueprints, animations, physics, lighting, and audio. With an average completion time of 60 hours, this certification found on Udemy offers a comprehensive journey. While the standard price is $149.99, keep an eye out for periodic discounts, which can drop it as low as $24.99. Virtual Reality Certification by University of London via Coursera. Interested in the theory and practice of VR? Launched in 2018, this certification from the University of London provides a deep dive into VR's history, future, psychology, physiology, and system design. You'll also master Unity and C# to create VR applications for platforms like Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, and Google Cardboard. Explore the diverse applications of VR in education, entertainment, health, and social domains. The certification, available on Coursera, typically takes 40 hours to complete and is priced at $49 per month, which is Coursera's subscription monthly fee. Complete Virtual Reality Developer course by Satyendra Singh via Udemy. Ready to explore the world of web-based VR? Launched in 2020, this certification teaches you how to use A-Frame and JavaScript to craft VR applications for the web. Your journey begins with mastering web development basics like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then, you'll harness A-Frame, a web framework for building VR scenes and components. With an average completion time of 30 hours, this certification, found on Udemy, allows you to build projects like a VR gallery, VR museum, and VR social network. The price for this certification is $54.99, but it's currently available for $16.99. Virtual Reality, VR, app development by the University of California, San Diego via EDX. Want to take VR to the next level? Launched in 2021, this certification delves into advanced VR topics, including interaction techniques, locomotion, user interfaces, and storytelling. You'll become proficient in using Unreal Engine 4 and C++ to create VR applications for high-end devices like Oculus Quest 2 and Valve Index. Discover best practices such as user testing, prototyping, and debugging. With an average completion time of 50 hours, this certification, found on edX, offers a deeper understanding of VR. The standard price is $99, but there's currently a special enrollment promotion that makes it free. So, these are the top 5 VR development certifications you can take online in 2024. Each one offers a unique journey into the world of virtual reality. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more VR content. Also, let me know in the comments which certification you are interested in, or if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.